everyone, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I want to apologize, I haven't said highs and hugs in a very long time, but I did put down a whole list of I think 20 people, but I lost it. I looked for it, I can't find it because I didn't have my book with me when I did it. So if you've left a comment, I took down all your names to say hi and hugs, and then I've also responded to some of your comments. So thank you so much for all your comments. Thank you so much for all your views, and I really appreciate it. I'm struggling to find time, as you can imagine. All right, so I have a Friday freebie out for you, and it is in keeping with the theme of my Spring Awakening kit. Well, it is my Spring Awakening kit. A Friday freebie from there, and it is a waterfall. Okay, it is 5 different what do you call this, pieces, okay, that you put together, right? And obviously they staggered in length, and then what you call it, you'll find a lot of things. Sorry, a little bit lost because I started this video and then I realized I wasn't filming it. So I've got a few things lying on my desk over here, as you can see, and I am going to I'm trying to come to a decision what I want to use. Okay, so I've got this so that's one. How cute, man. That's the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and that's the 5th one with the little puppy. Okay, so those are your 5 that you are going to have. And then I've got coffee dyed paper at the back. Now what I did is I have a coffee dyed paper that I've scanned onto my laptop. So whenever I want coffee dyed paper, you know, as a backing, then I just use print it out there on like a draft, because I'm printing on inkjet at the moment, so I can't go really and coffee dye these here after I printed them. The other thing that comes with it is this here. Okay, this is just like a book tab, or not a book tab, what's that thing called? Bookmark. Okay, that's also part of the kit. And then I've got these here as well that are going to match these here, and you'll find if you have the kit you also have some labels over there, but I don't think they are the same color. Then what I did is on the backs of this, because there's a bit that, you know, is left over, I've actually die cut these these hole reinforcers, because I really don't want to put you know, the metal ones over here. I just believe it will be way too much. So I brought one along with you with me so that I can do it. And I think I put this away for now. Okay, so there it is, and I am just going to punch it, and then I'm gonna put some roll hole reinforcers in it. Right, like that, and then like that. So so what I am going to do, I can tell you now, is that, oh, that's hubby, I'm starving, I'm so hungry, you know, so he's got supper. So I'm gonna try to conclude this as soon as possible. I actually phoned him to ask him what time is he coming home with supper. Okay, so so as I mentioned, I got the coffee dyed one here, but I think I want to put this in my Bible journal. Okay, so I want to put this in my Bible journal, and what I want to do is I want to write on this side of it, and then so I am on second thoughts, this is gonna go probably in one of my ephemera things until I'm and then I'll do another one for my Bible journal, because I want to change the background over here, and I managed to do this design this printable over here. It's like the dot page. Okay, and I was like, wow, this dot page came out so cool. And I thought, you know, like sometimes we are looking for pages to back our you know, our pattern pages or whatever, and I thought I'm gonna make a few colors like this in different colors, probably in pastel, and I am going to then put it as a pack in my Ko-fi shop. Okay, and I'm not going to put it on my Etsy shop because I'm not going to charge a lot for this, and Ko-fi takes a lot of the, my profit. I'm not Kofi. Etsy takes a lot of my profits, so it's not going to be profitable at the price I'm going to put it at. Then this year, as I mentioned, I'm going to use it as a book tab, and on this side I am going to print out the what do you call it, the first, well, in my case it was a psalm, okay, that the Lord spoke to me about, and it was Psalm 18 verse 2. I'm going to put that down over here at the back of this here, and then I'm going to laminate it and use it as a bookmark in one of my Bible journals. Okay, so that is the plan for that over there. And then these over here, I'm going to also see how I can use them in my Bible journal as well. Now, I know I'm talking Bible journal, okay, but you know I do junk journals, okay, but I mean in my Bible, but I've realized that why not use what I create in my Bibles in future as well as make my junk journals, because I love making my junk journals as well. Okay, so I'm trying to serve a 2-in-1 purpose over here. All right, I know I'm all over the place, but I thought let me talk to you quickly and then we'll start. Now, this over here is a freebie that I told you I was going to give you a long time ago, and I just didn't have time to put it up. And this is also a scripture study, and it is for, well, it's called scripture study, but I've got your verse of the day. But you know, you get let's just say something from one of the books or whatever, that one of the verses that you want to remember for that day, or something that the Lord has spoke to you about or whatever, and you go and then put it down. So today's one, oh my goodness, I can't remember, but the other one was Genesis 1.1 that I did work on or whatever. Now, this actually comes in an A4 page, but what I've done is I've shrunk it down. Well, I haven't shrunk it down. I'll give you the A4 version of it, and then you can actually print 2 to a page. They're very subtle colors over here, and I have also printed it on this side as well. And the reason why I did that is because I kind of try to do this every single day, and then it's just going to become too much for me. So right now I'm binding, I'm just got a file, like an A5 file that I put it into when I'm done with it. But I think once I get the hang of my Zutta or whatever, and then I will probably bind it in that manner. Okay, so that's that. I'll put that all also there. Okay, now let's get back to the Friday freebie and how you want to use it. Right, so all I did is I cut it out, inked the edges. I did do the corner rounding on it, and then I punched out the holes that you will see over there, the black holes. Now, where's it? Okay, don't worry. Okay, there it is. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I am just going to put these on here like that. Doo-doo. I say doo-doo, and then I still place it wrong. So ladies, I hope that you had an awesome week. And if there are any gents, I hope you had an awesome week. I'm so used to saying ladies, but I think in future, just to cover everyone, I'm gonna say ladies and gents, okay? And yeah, so I had a pretty awesome week. Nothing spectacular, nothing, but isn't that sometimes great, because there were no hurdles to climb. Life was smooth sailing this week. Well, not smooth, you know what I mean. There weren't any challenges and stuff like that. And normally on a Friday, I am so tired. I am tired, but I really want to do some work. I really need to do some work. So hopefully after supper, I'm going to be able to do some work after I have a bath. Okay, so that is it. I'm done there. Now, I got all these things out because I don't know what to use. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I mean. So you can do that because I've cut all and I've done the rest so that I don't waste your time. So I can use this, right? I can use this on it. And yes, I'm pulling out all the old-fashioned ways of doing stuff because the you know, the ones we normally use. Okay, so there we go. I can use that. And what I like about this is that it gives me, you know, enough space to write. So let's say, for example, I decide, right, I want to put this in my Bible. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up like this. Right, like that, maybe, you know, make it half and half kind of a thing. And then I'm going to, so I've started in my Bible very, very recently. So it is not full or pretty or anything by any, you know, means. But nevertheless, so I'm thinking, why not me put it like that and like that? Okay, so it is portable. It is portable, and all it does is it just juts out the Bible like that over there, and you know, it's like that kind of a thing, right? So you, I can use it like that. I'm not sure. Okay, or you can then, I think, just let me just put that there. Oh my word, that's one way of using it. Okay, if you have these, not everyone has it, but if you do, you know, because you know how we love visiting the thrift shops. So definitely I can imagine some people having some. Okay, I don't have a lot. I just have a small box of it, and I don't think I'm gonna get it back at any thrift store. So if I finish use it, I finish use it, kind of a thing, right? But it is what it is. Okay, so then the next one I was thinking of is, as you can see, also another thrift one, but this one I didn't even open it. Oh my gosh, I don't know. As you can see, I'm gonna try it with you now. It's these ring binders. So I'm sure we can use these. Don't they need something on it, like a round part? Like a round part thing, because none of these have it, but okay. So I can put it like that, and then I can put it underneath. But my gosh, no, this is not going to work because these are too huge. Yep, that's not going to work. Okay, see, it's not going to work. Okay, so great. We know that doesn't work. As I mentioned, I wanted to try it with you. So we know that's not going to work. Okay, and then what about this? This is going to work, right? You know this, right? If you're as old as me, you know this. You know this. I know you know it. So what about using these here? Because somehow or the other they just fit. Okay, and then using this here like that. Now what I would definitely do is if I'm gonna use it, I am going to definitely see on this side. So I'm going to definitely maybe rust it up or whatever to work with this, to you know, to work with the the color, because this is like silver and it sticks out way too much or whatever the case may be. And I'm gonna do something like that. Okay, and then I've got all this place to journal in. So I kind of like this one. I really do. I really like this idea, because I'm not wasting too much. I still get to see all the prettiness. Yeah, so I think I will do this. But then you can put a little ribbon over there. Okay, you can put the ribbon there. You can put brads over there, and you can use that. But what I like about this one is it holds it all across. So you know, you get that nice neat fold that you're looking for. That way. Okay, you know, it's already a neat fold. So I'm loving this. I didn't think I'll love it so much. I do. So I think I'm gonna rust that, and I am going to use it. Oh, it is so adorable. So that's my Friday freebie. I do hope that you like it. And if this is one of the ideas that you do like, you know, accept, uh, no, accept, right? Accept. I can't get the word. Okay, instead of all the other ideas that I shared that I may, you know, think of using. And if this is one of those ideas that you like, then I do hope that you get yourself some of these. I know that they are outdated, but look how cute they look. So, I mean, I just have a box, you know, like that. And, I mean, I don't even have a lot. Well, yeah. Well, not all of them have the other part to it as well. So, I'll just make use of what I have. After all, one day or the other, these things, we're not going to be able to find them anyway, right? So, when you find a great project to use it in, why not? Okay. So that's it, ladies. I do hope that you have an absolutely awesome weekend ahead, and that you know, that you have lots of fun this weekend, and that you do find some time to craft. Excuse me. And yeah, take care. Oh, and can you do me a favor, please? Can you pray for me? It's this cough that I have, and doesn't seem to be, well, it's better right now, okay, but you know, the more people that can pray, the better, because it is irritating, and I don't want to go and have to do all these allergy tests to see what I'm allergic to now. Okay, but yeah, so if you desire, okay, and that's it. Thank you so much, and have a great day, and God bless, and have a blessed week. Bye bye.